How to Start a Business in 2025. A complete step-by-step guide for beginners. Do you have the mindset to start a business? Starting a business can feel overwhelming. Turning an idea into reality demands significant time, effort, and a series of difficult decisions that can often seem intimidating. From drafting a business plan to handling finances and navigating unexpected challenges, it's easy to become tangled in the complexity. The fear of failure and the uncertainty of what lies ahead can hold you back, making it tough to take that first step. However, despite these hurdles, it's important to remember that every successful entrepreneur has faced these same fears along the way. You might also worry about what others think when you launch a business. It's completely natural to feel concerned about judgment from friends, family, or colleagues who may question your choices or doubt your abilities. Such worries can trigger self-doubt and make you question your own potential. Yet, it's essential to understand that building a business is a personal journey, and the opinions of others shouldn't dictate your decisions. Embrace the discomfort and use it to propel you forward, because every successful entrepreneur overcame fear of judgment and stayed committed to their vision. Choose your business idea. Do you know what business you want to start? The possibilities are endless, and with so many options out there, it can be hard to figure out which one is the right fit for you. Whether you're passionate about a specific industry or looking to solve a particular problem, the business world offers endless opportunities. From small home-based businesses to large-scale startups, there's something for every skill set and interest. The key is to find a business idea that aligns with both your strengths and passions. So, you can not only succeed, but thrive. When thinking about what business to start, it's important to consider the various types that are available. You can start a service-based business, like a consulting or coaching service, where you leverage your expertise. Alternatively, you might want to create a product-based business, whether it's something physical like handmade crafts or an online course, or ebook is your best bet to passive income. There are also tech-driven businesses, such as app development or e-commerce stores, that are thriving in today's market. No matter what industry you're drawn to, you'll need to ask yourself, what skills do I have? What problems do I enjoy solving? What excites me? If you can't find what excites you, you can shadow anyone in the same direction as you. See what they do to make it a successful business. Remember, the ideal business for you is one that both excites you and offers long-term sustainability. Take your time to understand the market, identify your target audience, and think about how your skills and passions can solve a real-world problem. And most importantly, don't let the fear of starting something new hold you back. The business you choose to start could be the first step toward your dream career and a life of independence and fulfillment. So, ask yourself, what business do I want to build today? The possibilities are limitless. Create a business plan. What is a business plan? It's a written plan that details your business objectives, the strategies you'll implement to reach them, and the financial framework supporting it. This is your roadmap to success. The purpose of a business plan is to clarify the business vision, secure funding, attract investors, and ensure growth and sustainability. Step 1. Business vision. A business vision is a clear and concise statement that outlines what a company strives to accomplish in the future. It focuses on the long-term goals and the broader impact the business aims to have. Serving as a guiding force, a business vision provides direction and motivation for decision-making, strategies, and actions. It embodies the company's core values, ambitions, and purpose, helping to align the efforts of all stakeholders toward a shared objective. Step 2. Secure the funds. Find out how you will secure the funds for the initial capital, working capital, equipment and supplies, marketing and advertising budget, inventory, emergency fund, license fees. Do you have money you can spend on your business? How many people on your team? What's your total budget? All these are great questions you can ask yourself to see the funds you need to start your business on the right track to financial stability. Step 3. Attract investors. Finish your business plan and have a unique value proposition. A unique value proposition is a clear and persuasive statement that outlines what distinguishes a business, product, or service from its competitors and why customers should choose it. It emphasizes the unique benefits or solutions offered to address the specific needs of the target audience. The UVP highlights what sets the business apart, whether through innovation, quality, customer service, pricing, or other standout features. Have a clear financial standing from Step 2, securing the funds and predicted ROIs. Predicts. Return on investment net profit is the anticipated earnings from the investment, calculated by subtracting costs from revenue. The cost of investment refers to the total amount of money invested. Now it's time to present it to your potential investors. Step 4. Track your KPIs. Key performance indicators are quantifiable metrics that enable businesses to evaluate how successfully they are meeting their core objectives. KPIs offer valuable insights into a company's performance, helping leaders monitor progress, make data-driven decisions, and refine strategies as necessary. Goal planning. To build on to Step 4, goal planning is important. Setting goals for your business allows you to short-term and long-term milestones. Define clear goals. The more specific your goals are, the easier it becomes to create actionable plans, measure progress, and stay focused on achieving them. Clear goals provide direction and motivation, making it easier to align efforts and resources toward success. Action plan. Assigning tasks, setting deadlines, and determining the resources, such as budget, team, members, and tools, needed to achieve each objective. Best to have a spreadsheet made for each deadline marked as working on, completed, or haven't started. Distribute tasks to team members accordingly. Monitor and adjust goals as needed. Continuously monitor progress and modify goals as necessary to stay aligned with evolving circumstances and business objectives. This promotes ongoing improvement and helps the team stay focused on achieving success. Celebrate for your business and individual achievements. It is important to acknowledge that you acknowledge the milestones your business hits. Retention rates increase when a company recognizes and appreciates employee achievements. Acknowledging accomplishments boosts morale, fosters a sense of value and belonging, and encourages long-term engagement. When employees feel valued, they are more likely to stay and perform at their best. Funding your business. To attract investors, you need a clear business idea and a strong growth plan. Start with a well-researched business plan that explains your goals, target market, what makes your business different, and how you'll make money. Investors want to see that your business has the potential to grow, so show them how your business can expand and bring in profits. Focus on what makes your product or service unique, the problem it solves, and how you'll get and keep customers. It's also important to build trust by having a solid track record, a skilled team, and relevant experience. Securing funding is key to turning your business idea into reality. You can start with personal savings or support from family and friends. For larger amounts, consider bank loans, government grants, or angel investors. Crowdfunding is also an option, allowing you to raise money from many people in exchange for early access to your product. Venture capitalists may be interested if your business has high growth potential. It's important to weigh the long-term impact of each option, such as ownership control, repayment terms, and equity dilution based on your goals and risk tolerance. Connect with investors by attending events and using networks like angel investors or venture capital firms. Finally, be honest, confident, and ready to answer questions about risks and your future plans. Legal structures. Before launching your business, it's essential to research the legal requirements involved. This includes registering your business, securing the necessary licenses or permits, understanding your tax responsibilities, and ensuring compliance with the industry regulations. It's also important to familiarize yourself with the intellectual property protections, like trademarks and patents, and to establish legal agreements for employees or business partnerships. Addressing these legal steps early will safeguard your business, prevent legal complications, and lay the groundwork for long-term success. Based on country, state, and city laws for your business, you might need a business license to start off. Based on your product and services, your license may be free, and others you'll have to pay. For example, in some states, a business license is not required unless you make over 200 individual sales or generate more than $10,000 in revenue. See what applies to you and your business. You can often obtain these licenses online, but in some cases you'll need to visit City Hall to acquire them. Market your business. Define your target audience. Research where it's best for you to have your business location, website, or social media apps. Develop a strong brand. Name your business, design a logo, choose color theme, and what's your business mission? Setting up online presence. Leverage social media for your business using Facebook, Instagram, X, LinkedIn, TikTok, and others to increase brand visibility, interact with customers, and boost sales. Make sure to choose the right platform for your business. Be consistent and engage with audience. Each platform has something they are best in, and that's where majority of your target audience likely will be. For example, if you are trying to resell clothing, it's best to use Poshmark for used garments and Depop for vintage items. Another example will be selling art and crafts on Etsy over selling on Amazon. Etsy caters to businesses who have handmade, unique goods. While on Amazon, you have limited customization options, making it difficult to create a unique, personalized storefront for your brand. Consumers are more likely to remember your store when it's unique. If you made it till the end of this video, I wish you the best of luck at starting your own business. If you like my video, feel free to subscribe, like, and comment any future video ideas you would like to see on this channel. Until next time, keep your money smart and your future bright.